Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be testing SHEGLAM makeup, so I'm really curious how this will actually perform on my face. Okay, so let's start. First we have this brow pencil, and I think it's in the shade, yeah, dark brown. Comes in this cute box. So this is how it looks like, and here is the pencil, and here you have the brush, and I'm really curious if it's gonna show or not. It's a bit of a warmer brown than I expected. Usually I expect like a cool brown, but I'm not mad of the shade. It looks alright. Okay guys, so next I have the eyeshadow palette. Cannot wait to do some swatches. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a gorgeous palette, has 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmers, 5 mattes. I cannot count. Anyway, 9 colors in total, and I will do some swatches. So, okay, I cannot pronounce this. Hyacinth. I'm sorry if I butchered this name. Is this gorgeous purpley matte? Okay, so okay, this white's nice. Next is this, my favorite color, ultraviolet. Yes, it's nice. Okay, then we have April. Then we have Mars. Wow, this is pigmented. Twilight. It's a really light type of color. Then we have this Desert Sage. Look at this, looks like a dual chrome. Yes, I definitely love this. It's like a dual chrome. Then we have Dare. Camel. In here. And the last one, it's Casablanca. It's quite a warm deep brown and looks really pigmented. I'm gonna swatch it here. Yeah, definitely has pigment. So yeah, I think my favorite it would be this one, which is Desert Sage. Look at this color, gorgeous. So yeah, cannot actually put this on my face. So you know the drill already. I'm gonna add a eyeshadow shield, some eyeshadow base, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna start in my outer V with this color called Casablanca. So it's this one. There is a bit of a fall in the pan, but that's fine. This never bothers me. Yeah, it is pigmented. Next I'm gonna go with the shade Camel, this in here. Like my entire lid, I'm gonna take Desert Sage. Beautiful color. I'll try my finger. Maybe it's better. Yeah, definitely applies better with the finger. I'll take a fluffy brush and I go back in the shade Camel. Yes, I'm definitely in love with this eye look. So I'm gonna do my lower lash line, I'll finish the other eye, and I'll come back for the rest of the products. So moving on, I have this foundation from them, and it comes in this cute velvety pocket. And this is how it looks like. It's called SHEGLAM Complexion Pro Long Lasting Breathable Matte Foundation. it's a really luxurious type of package. It also comes with a pump. Hopefully this is the right shade for me. The texture feels a bit thick, and as usually I'm using a sponge because a beauty sponge is my best friend. And let's see, so I've done 2 pumps, and let's see how full coverage it is. I think the shade is alright. I don't know if it's gonna oxidize or not, but the coverage is on point. It has a bit of a dewiness but not greasy. It definitely has coverage and doesn't feel heavy at all on the skin. So this is how the foundation looks like up close. I've used 2.5 pumps and I'm really pleased with the coverage. Doesn't seem to set in my fine lines. I can compare it with the e.l.f. Foundation they have. I just tested a few days ago, and it gives me the same vibe. It has like a satin finish, doesn't feel greasy, doesn't feel heavy, doesn't cake, and doesn't set on your fine lines, and definitely has coverage and doesn't smell. Doesn't have a smell, by the way. So if you have sensitive skin, this will be great. By the way, I have oily, sometimes combination skin, but most of the time is oily, and so far it seems nice. It doesn't feel oily on my skin, greasy, nothing. I love it. And what's really unexpected, it was really thick on the hand, but it's so lightweight I can barely feel it on my face. So yeah, I'm gonna apply the concealer as well to see how they go together, but I like it so far. Moving on, I have this huge concealer from them. This is in the shade Tahiti 203, again from SHEGLAM, and it says versatile flawless concealer. Is huge, 25 grams. It's like almost like a foundation size. Seems a bit liquidy. Guys, I'm shocked. There's no creasiness. It went so smoothly under the eyes. I cannot believe it. And it dries out. It doesn't cake. It doesn't look to smudge. I don't know if you can see it, but it does look flawless under the eye. Okay, so I also bought a powder from them, again SHEGLAM, and it says translucent, and it's quite a white powder. Also comes with a sponge. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take a bit of powder on my sponge and set my under eyes. So I've just added the tiniest amount. It just looks flawless. Guys, so next I have this huge contour palette, and it's in the shade 502 Nude, and this is how it looks like. I think this three you can use them as a normal powder, and you have the contouring shades in here. So I think I'm gonna try this one in the middle actually. It's quite pigmented, so just apply small amounts. So yeah, I think it worked really well. Yeah, I definitely like this one as well. Okay, next I have a blush from them. Again, bougie packaging, looks extraordinary, and this is how it looks inside. Just in love with the shape and everything, and the color seems really nice, and I'm really curious. It has just a bit of a sheen, but again, I quite like this type of blushes because they're not gonna look flat on your face. yeah, it looks really nice. Just a bit of a sheen, but not glittery, which I love. Okay guys, next I have this highlighter from them. It's called again SHEGLAM Face Palette Powder, and it says Chrome Highlighter, as in the shade Lighting Dust, and it has 2 shades, and I'm really curious. Just let me do some swatches. Seems pigmented. This one is just a bit darker, but it should be fine. So I'm gonna go with the lighter shade. And you can build it up, by the way, because when you first apply it, it doesn't seem to be, take a lot of product, but you can build it up and it's gonna be more beaming, as you can see. Okay, next I have this gorgeous liquid eyeliner. This is how it looks like. It has like a mini diamond, and it's actually called diamond eyeliner. And this is how it looks like. It's very pigmented and easy to work with. Okay guys, so next I have a mascara from them. Really good packaging. I cannot pronounce this. Meraba Volumizing Mascara. This is how it looks like. And this is the wand. Quite basic, which I like. Yeah, it's alright. I have teeny tiny lashes, so every mascara I cannot do actually wonders on my lashes. So now, because I wear false lashes, it doesn't really bother me if a mascara doesn't do much. I managed to mess up a bit, but I'll just have to leave it to dry and then I'll clean it. So bought a lip product from them, SHEGLAM again, and this is the shade Blossom. This is supposed to be a matte lipstick and this is supposed to be a gloss. So I don't know if it's gonna behave like the one from NYX, that it's locking everything in place. I'm really curious. It's a really light shade. Seems alright. I'm really curious if it's gonna dry out. Yes, definitely dries out. What I noticed, it's not really pigmented. Maybe I'll just have to apply another layer. It seems to dry out. I'm gonna apply the other end now to see how it looks like. I'm curious if this transfers after I applied it. Yes, it definitely does. It does transfer, so it's not like the NYX one. So after you apply this, the whole product transfer even underneath. So the last bit I have to try from them are these lashes, and this is how they look like. They don't have a name or anything. This is how they actually came, and they're quite big and fluffy. But I'm gonna apply this off camera because I'm not really good on applying lashes, and I also gonna dry my hair, you know the drill, and come back with the finished look and also my final opinion about this product. Okay guys, so I'm back. Now let's talk a bit about this product. I can say I'm shocked. I mean, I love most of the products. The only changes I've noticed is that the foundation does oxidize a bit, so it goes a bit orangey. So next time I will just mix them with my lightening drops. And just keep in mind, if you want to order it, just order a shade lighter because it does oxidize. But the base itself, I'm impressed. I mean, it doesn't transfer. It doesn't feel cakey, it doesn't sit anywhere in my lines. By the way, I didn't set it with a setting spray, and as I'm saying, I'm shocked. I mean, my base looks flawless. Everything went on top, went really well on top. So the powder, the blush, the contour, the highlighter, everything went smoothly, and I absolutely love. What I was a bit disappointed was about the lip product. It did set eventually, and it looks more smoother now, but it's still not like fully high coverage. And the fact that you apply the lipstick is the lip gloss is gonna transfer. If you just apply it normally, it's gonna dry out and it's not gonna transfer, but applying the lip gloss, it will. But it looks nice. I never wore this type of color, but it goes really nice with this look. I'm obsessed with the eyeshadow palette. I mean, the colors are absolutely gorgeous, and as you can see on my eyelid, it just went beautifully. I mean, this color, it's a dual chrome, or free actually, because it has like some gold, some pink, and also some purple, and it's really, really, I mean, I love it. This, I'm obsessed with it. Every single product, just as I said, went really well. The foundation goes extraordinary. The concealer, as you can see, doesn't crease, doesn't, I don't know, it just looks flawless. Also, I was a bit scared with the eyelashes because they are huge, as you can see, but they are comfortable. Even if they have like a quite thick band, it wasn't a struggle to apply them, and they're feeling comfortable. They're absolutely fine. The eyeliner as well was really great. It does accumulate product when you have an eyeshadow. It does go on the one, but just wipe it off and it's absolutely fine. So this performed well. The eyebrow pencil, again, really pigmented, it does build up, no problems at all with it. The contour kit as well, I love it. The mascara is alright, it's not blowing my mind, but it's fine because I'm wearing lashes, so it doesn't bother me. I mean, every single mascara does the same thing for me, doesn't wow me anyway. Yeah, 95% of the products I absolutely loved, and as I said, I was just a bit disappointed about the lip product and the fact that the foundation oxidizes and it goes darker. But the formula, everything, it's fantastic. I mean, for the price, I don't know if I actually paid more than £3.50 for the foundation, for example, or everything else. Yeah, it's absolutely fine. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know if you tried any of their makeup, because I'm impressed. I mean, I'm really impressed with the quality. So let me know if you tried anything or if you want to try. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.